Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to forecast Bitcoin's future price using compound annual growth rate in Excel based on real historical data. We'll use prices from 2020 to 2024, calculate the average annual growth rate, and then project how high Bitcoin could go through the year 2029. Now we'll calculate the compound annual growth rate, which tells us the average annual growth, assuming steady compounding. First, we divide the ending value by the starting value. Then we raise that result to the power of 1 divided by the number of years. Finally, we subtract 1. The result is the compound annual growth rate, which shows how much Bitcoin grew on average per year, assuming it grew at a steady compounded pace. In our example, it's about 19% per year. Now we apply that compound annual growth rate to forecast the next 5 years. From 2025 to 2029, we start with the last known value, $58,864, and grow it year by year using this formula. Make sure to lock the cell by pressing F4 after clicking on it. If this trend continues, the model shows that by 2029, Bitcoin could reach around $142,000. It's a projection based on past growth. The actual price could be higher or lower depending on market cycles, news, and volatility. But it gives us a realistic benchmark of where Bitcoin might be headed if it continues on this historical growth path. And that's it. You've just built a simple data-driven Bitcoin forecast model using compound annual growth rate in Excel. This lets us see a clean timeline of how BTC has performed and where it could go if it kept growing at the same average pace. This method works for any crypto or even stocks, and it's a great tool for long-term planning. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Excel and finance videos.